moringa tree from which I'm taking the leaves to make the powder. It's a tall one. Have a nice small mouth because the leaves are dry and the leaves are still green. That's the best part of moringa is even after drying the moringa leaves are green. It's so crunchy, nicely dry. I'm separating the stalks and reduce them more. These are the moringa leaves which I started drying. They're dry now. You can hear the crunch. I'm just going to do this so the stalks are separated and the leaves are just there to be powdered. I'm going to put them in the mixer and my moringa powder is going to be ready. Finally, my moringa powder is ready. It's nice and soft. I didn't have to sieve it. And see how green it is. Even after drying, the leaves were crunchy, but the color is so green, deep green. You can eat it, you can use it in dal, in your curries, but I love it in my buttermilk. So this is how you make moringa powder at home. If you have a moringa tree close by, I think you should make your powder at home rather than buy it from the store.